Rutherford's gold-foiled experiment. Rutherford made the first ever attempt to investigate the structure of invisible atom by bombarding alpha particles on a thin gold foil and studying their paths. Here, if you slide a ball through the channel from different positions, you will observe that as the ball approaches, it rolls out in different directions on almost all occasions. You will also see that on a few occasions, the ball rolls back too. Similarly, in the gold foil experiment, Rutherford noticed that most of the bombarded alpha particles passed straight through the foil without any deflection, and a few of them underwent small or large deflection, while a very small fraction of them returned right back. Most of the alpha particles that were shot away from the nucleus faced almost no deflection, which indicated that the atom is practically empty space. One analogy is to imagine the atom to be the size of a football stadium. In that gigantic stadium, the nucleus would only be the size of a small marble.